Mate, Sahleli with one of the gospel greats, Ubaba Sipho Makhabane. Thank you so much for staying with us. Alex Kube Makhabane, we were talking about how God has been gracious to your family as well. In Mpumalanga la uvela khona, do you have the keys to the city? Do they recognize you as their son?
Yeah, I can say that. Even wherever I am, and then bayazi ukuthi I'm a son of Mpumalanga.
Yes.
And nakhona Mpumalanga bang recognizer, and then njobe ngisho nje ukuthi bekubhlungu kakhulu these days ngingekho right.
But the government, nakhona, do they record? You know why I ask? Because you find a lot of artists like Usbu, DJ Sbu, Eguruleni. I mean, knows Israel knows, and you know Guta is the son. You go overseas, whether it's the Chicago Bulls or Michael Jordan, got the keys to Chicago, man, because of what he has done to put Chicago out there. In Mpumalanga, I mean, you put it out there, man. Would you like that one day?
Yes. You're supposed to talk to me before.
But you would appreciate.
Yeah, but asibonga ukuthi bakhona abantu eMpumalanga na departments ababonayo abazama ukusupporta there and there, of which vele at the end of the day kufuna siyayidinga isupport yabo, because nathi la sikhona sasupportwa abantu, and manje to develop the young ones siyayidinga imuscle from uhulumeni government yethu to raise the young ones, and then ukuze bakhule music ungafi la makundlula thina.
I wouldn't mind if my tax money is spent on a man like you. I wouldn't really mind.
Thank you.
But Makhabane, you're normally an accommodating person. You do interviews. I mean, to come to Joburg to do this interview and do other work also, Joanne, I mean, that's very accommodative. That's professional. Probably that's why you've been in this business for 25 years. Let's talk about media a little bit. Are you sometimes maybe, I don't know, maybe usfage in a predicament by inviting media in your life, and then when something happens in your life that is a problem or a challenge or a part in your life where doesn't happen, and then they use that information to put it in relationship here to the media is very, very tricky. What's your philosophy when it comes to the balance?
It's a good question. It's ngibeke kahle, Mr. Nkosi.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure izosiza nabantu abaningi emakhaya.
Yes, sir.
Siwi industry eyo music thina siyasebenza sisemsebenzini, and noma ngabe yipi firm osebenza kuyo akusini nonke abantu enithanda nayo kuleyo firm.
Yes.
And then futhi kunabantu abangasebenzisa iboss ukuthi baqhukuluze or bagcine baqoshile, yabona impilo leyo singayibalekele, i-competition is there.
Yes, sir.
Uyayibona leyo nto. So sometimes ke uthola ukuthi kunabantu abangeke bakuthande or bazosebenzisa ngoba bayazi sometimes ukufacea nje umuntu ngeke ngufacea nje Mr. Nkosi usukele nje ngufacea ngoba
kumele ngikuthumela ngafana,
and then ngoba ngagcina endliweni ayimpama khona lapho, yabona manje ukuze to avoid impama bazosebenzisa imedia to fight you, uyayibona leyo nto leyo. But bake bangibuza kwenye radio station but Mr. Makhabane wenza ngani, ngoba sometimes uthola ukuthi media izobhala lokho ibhale lokho ngawe yonke lento le usurvive kanjani, uyayibona. Ngase ngiyamtshela la, ngase ngiyamphendula, ngase ngiyamtshela ngithi lalela la, I had a meeting with myself, not with somebody else.
Yes, sir.
I had a meeting with myself, and then I sat down. Ngathi number 1, Sipho, ungavumi ku affectwa a human being, umuntu.
Yes.
Ngobe umuntu umazok affecta uzokushiya ne high blood angaphathwa high blood yena.
Yes.
Number 2, ungavumi ku affectwa imaterial. Because immaterial le ilethe wena. So my immaterial izokushiya ne high blood, yona ingabi ne high blood.
Yes, sir.
Ekugcineni bayithathe ihambe.
Yes.
And then end of the day unciphisa amalanga akho okuphila.
Yes.
Uma siphila emhlabeni kwi competition esikuyo sise factory sisemasimini siyasebenza, ukungazwani kwabantu noma abantu bakudlela umona noma benza kanjani akungak-affect lokho.
Yes.
Ngoba into ebalulekile ila uyakhona. Ikuphi la ufuna ukuya khona?
Mauti zingak-affect bama, but you're a human being. When we read ukuthi your cars were being repossessed, that's the end. Now, some of us that love you, when we read, some of us that are in the industry, I mean, I've spoken to you, I don't know you that much, but the times that I've seen you and spoken to you, when that happens to you, I feel bad.
Yeah, no, it's true. But Mr. Nkosi, impilo inje. Umuntu kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi bayangazi kanti abangazi. Asibeke nje kanti lokhu ibeka kahle straight.
All right.
Kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi bona bayangazi kanti abangazi. Bahambisa information error. Take for instance, uma kwenzeka i-accident yami.
Yes.
Nge-accident.
Yes.
Bahamba bafonela abaphepha batshela abantu bamaphepha ukuthi uSipho Makhabane was involved kwi-accident ahamba nge-C200.
Yes.
Nge-Mercedes C200.
Yes.
Yabona bacabanga ukuthi bayangazi kanti abangazi. Imoto ekade ngihamba ngayo bekuyi-S class.
Come on now.
350 CDI.
Yes.
We understand that. But lo muntu lo ohambisa le information ucabanga ukuthi yena uyangazi kanti akangazi. And then now, ngasifundisa ke Nkosi ukuthi anga-affect ngezinto eziwu-2. A human being ne-material. I said, take for instance, mina into engahlakanipha ngayo ku-music industry ngayibona i-industry ukuthi i-industry I've read ngamanye ama-artists ngaphambili ukuthi hey kube tough kwabanjani and then bashona banganalutho inini yonke lento le and then ngabona ukuthi imali iyi-problem. The only thing that we have to do and be clever, invest your money on properties.
Yes.
So umuntu ocabanga ukuthi uyangazi angafonela amabhenki babuze ukuthi unamalini ibalance lo muntu angena nkinga naleyo nto mina. But if unama properties awu-6
yes
umuntu ofonela amabhenki abuze ukuthi unamalini ibalance akusiyona yami la akusinkinga yami leyo inkinga leyo umuntu loyo mina ongitshele nje Mr. Nama properties awu-6 kodwa kunomuntu hamba afonela ibhenki abafonela abantu imedia abatshela ukuthi angiphelile ngami. Uyayibona le. So manje versus yabo versus lo muntu nakhona uhlala entombini lo muntu uhambisa lezi indaba akana responsibility loyo muntu loyo. But uNkulunkulu usibeke la Mr. Nkosi siphile nabo uyabona kumele ngisho amagama abantu.
No say abantu yamazi
Mr. Nkosi uyazi kunento ithi ngiwona abantu.
Yes, one.
Let me warn people.
Yes.
Uyazi indaba eziningi mina zabangani bami engizizwayo bathi beyikhuluma.
Yes.
Angizizwa ngabantu abaclose kimi noma nabangani bami.
Yes.
Ngizizwa ngabantu engingabazi because umuntu la emikhona akhuluma ngami umeduze kwabantu.
Yes.
And labantu emeduze kwaba akabazi number 1 ukuthi ba amafan kaSipho Makhabane kanganani.
Yes.
Uyayibona leyo nto. And then lo muntu labantu labazofuna inamba uyazi take for instance ku accident yami.
Yes.
Uthi omunye uyafona uthi Makhabane it wasn't a nice thing ukuthi ube involved with accident. It's a very bad thing but I want to tell you one thing. Mina personally awungazi enasazana but I've learned a lot from your accident. Kunabantu engibabonile engibezwile bakhuluma engibabona ukuthi labo bakhuliswa uMakhabane labantu la.
Yes.
The musicians laba bakhuliswa uMakhabane. But uma bezwa bekhuluma lo muntu waba shocked kana abantu banjani. Uthi from lapho ngamfunda umuntu ngiyamazi umuntu today.
Talking about your accident. You're a gentleman.
Yes, Papa.
You're a gentleman. Because I know if it were me, I would name Mina. I'm made differently than you. Yabona when you're a Muslim, you know. If me go Sizwe, I would say Sizwe. Wasemfulo hlala kuphi uyokhuluma but you're a gentleman.
Yeah.
Coming to the accident, Makhabane. When that happened, consciously in the accident itself, at some point we are conscious, we can see, no, my car is tumbling or I'm in an accident. You know, there's that moment where we see, I'm in an accident. You know, before you pass out and so. Was there fear? Ukuthi, there it is, I'm gone.
Ithi ngichaze Nkosi. Uyazi uNkulunkulu wenza into zakhe. uNkulunkulu akashiyi ngaso ngesikhathi. Ngi-release i-album ngo-October November 2014. Ibala izinto eziningi. Kwangathi sengibuya kwi-accident kanti angibuyi kwi-accident. The message elapho. Khona ingoma ethi endleleni yakho yonke bekezela ngoba uJesu uyayazi indlela. And then kunengoma ethi siyakudumisa ngimbabaza ngimtshela ukuthi ubani.
Yes.
Take for lalela ke Nkosi. Ngi-invitewa abantu abaningi abangaze esayidini lokushumayela.
Yes.
Bangazi kakhulu esayidini lokuhlabelela.
Yes.
Kanti ngiyashumayela futhi.
Yes.
So bancane abasonto abangaziyo ukuthi lo muntu uyashumayela nakhona labo bangibone ngishumayela kwenye indawo.
Yes sir.
So bebangangazi kakhulu esayidini lokushumayela. So but le bandla Potter's House yase Delmas.
Yes.
Bayangifonela bangi-invite for preaching. With Makhabane. Siyazi ukuthi uyashumayela. Uzike sakubona ukuthi no lo muntu lo unento ayiphethe. But abantu bakwazi ngokuhlabelela. Sicela ukuthi uze ngomhla ka28 December. Uzowenza zonke inkonzo nje uNkulunkulu ayibeke kuwena. Whether uya preacher uzehlanganisa zonke. Uyahlabelela uya preacher yonke into.
Yes.
Sishiya kuwena leyo service leyo. Okay, ngiyavumelana nabo. Okay. Ngomhla ka27 ngine invitation yase Swaziland kune ingane ezenza iThanksgiving yaka mama wabo ukuthi bakhulisile baza babangaka. Ngiyasebenza ngiyaceda eSwaziland 27. Ngithi ke angahambe ebusuku ngoba bekungabo 6-7 ntambama. Kumele ngiye eDelmas. And then isonto inkonzo ingena ngo11 eDelmas. Ngithi angiphume ekseni. NgeSunday. Ngiyaphuma ekseni Sunday ngiphume border gate, ngiya driver, mangifika eCarolina ngiyama. Ngiyastretcha ngingena ngithenga some drinks ngiyabafonela abazalwane ngiyakubona ukuthi bazalwane ngidlule eCarolina manje kusho ukuthi kuzongithatha plus minus 1.5 hour to 2 hours kusuka la ngifike eDelmas. So ngizothi mase ngifike eDelmas ngaleso sikhathi leso nihlele ukuthi siyohlangana kuphi nabantu. Okay, it's fine. Ngihambe kunele garage lapha ku freeway. Ngifike kulona ngidebate ukuthi ngiyangena noma ngene kule garage. Hayi ngithi ngingene ngithi hayi no debate nje ukuthi ngiyangena noma ngingangena. Ayi ngicine ngingangeni ke ngibuyele back ku freeway ngidrive. That was the end of the road. Lapho after the garage lelo somewhere nje so some meters or 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers somewhere there. Yes. After ngidlule nje leyo garage lelo.
Yes.
That's everything la ngiqhamuka intambo. That was the end of the road. Ngaphuma bangithatha amaZulu engimuva ngapha engibeka ngapha engibuva ngoba iaccident eyenzeka ngashayisana nabanye abantu.
Yes.
Ifamily yakamlambo esesekhunda embalenhle. Kona intombazane yakhona ke iyalimala kuleyo moto leyo. So ngicela ukusho nje ukuthi ngicela ukucela kubantu bonke abasikhulekelayo abakhulekela uSipho Makhabane. Ngicela nibophe nathi nisibophe ngebhande lodwa. Because imoto yami angizange ngishayisana nezihlahla ongene emifuleni ongene ngoba ngayishayisana nabantu kuleyo accident leyo. Kwaba khona umntwana olimalayo uhlobisile Mlambo. Ngicela ukuthi manje sibopha ngebhandi le prayer nisihlanganise sonke bantu basemzasi ngoba nabo nami ngithi speed recovery intombazane. uNkulunkulu akusize, uNkulunkulu akuhilishe and then inyama sihlangane kahle yonke into ibuyele ibe kahle.
Amen.
Mr Nkosi ngathula lapho. After that ngathula amaphoyisa angikhipha angibeka phansi ngithulile nginganyakazi kunganamuntu ngithulile tu. And then amafoni wami awana ama codes. Amafoni wami bekavulekile amaphoyisa ke la kade afika kwiscene. Sithanda ukuwabonga amanye amaphoyisa.
Yes.
Ngoba akusibo bonke abantu abarong empilweni.
Yes.
Kunabantu abenzisana. Ithi ngikutshela amaphoyisa afika lapha kwiscene enza umsebenzi omkhulu. Ngoba bathatha ifoni yami. Bathi babayipatshaza nje wathola ukuthi ayina code. Bafonela wonke umuntu osefonini yami ebakade babona ukuthi ngicine ukukhuluma naye noma ngayizolo inini babafonela, everybody was shocked ukuthi uthola i-call, and then from there bagijima ke, and then kunomfana ukuthi uSilo engisebenza naye. Wafika uSilo kusini wathola ukuthi sebangithethe ngithulile, there's no movement, ngikhoma manje ngithulile manje. Ngihambe ngisibhedlela, uthi makafika esibhedlela amaphoyisa amtshela ukuthi nangi uSipho la ikhona. Wafika uSilo wangibheka wathola ukuthi no akusuye man.
Yeah.
Wathi no akusuye. Wangidlula. Wafika phambili. Wathi no man, but le shirt aligcokile. Ngiyalazi le shirt. Wajika wabuya. Indlela kade ngingakhona. Ubuso bami, my body, the way bengingakhona, bengingabukeki, bengingasiyena umuntu ombonayo manje. Bengenye indlela. Kunephoyisa ke elafona ngobe belifuna wonke umuntu nje ozothi makha, uyabona? Bathola omunye umfana engibhalela Makhanya, owasephongolo bamfonela bathi Makhanya, ubhuti wakho uthola accident yemoto, uSipho Makhabane. Kuphi eMiddelburg. Kwaphela ukudla kuMakhanya. Kwahamba isikhathi uMakhanya wafonela unkosikazi wakhe asambe eMiddelburg, mama sathifuna ukuthatha imoto bafuna hamba baye eMiddelburg, and then laphinde la phone iphoyisa lathi bhuti hayi kabi ngisicela nje ukukwazisa nokuinforma nokwenza ube aware nokukuwona ukuthi mawuza la kunezinto ozithu ekumele uyigade, either uyamthola lo muntu oze kuyena, either awumtholi, and ama chances ukuthi uyamthola angaba mancane kakhulu.
Talking about amaphoyisa ngangena emlonyeni, there was something amazing that was said about a miracle, if there is a God of miracles.
Yeah, yakuleyo this statement leso. Iphoyisa limtshele ukuthi mamela ke bhuti, njengoba uza la ngicela nje ukwenza ube aware nokukuwona ukuthi mawuza la uza ku situation enjani. Le situation esiyibona la akuyona i-situation elula kakhulu. It's very bad, terrible. But nasi statement engisithandayo. So sephoyisa elafona. Lathi phoyisa. Kodwa lo muntu lo ngihlala ngemuzwa akhuluma ngoNkulunkulu wenza ama miracles. And ukuthi lo nkulunkulu esikhuluma ngayo uyawenza ama miracles. Ngizowabona ama miracles kulo muntu lo olele laphansi manje. I like that statement. Iphoyisa laba ne faith. And liyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyayenza imihlolo. Bese kubhaliwe kwathi masimaba move lapha uMakhanya waphela amandla wahlala emotweni for some couple minutes, because in short le message isho ukuthi lo muntu esikhuluma ngaye akekho, sekungaba i-miracle ukuba khona kwakhe. Uthi ngaphela mfowethu, but I had faith. Would let me continue. Uthi nga driver ngaye ngofika esibhedlela eMiddelburg. Ngafike ngakubheka mfowethu kwakunganamuntu.
After all of this, what would you like to say to your friends?
Mr. Nkosi, bengingekho for 6 days. Ngithulile ngingekho. I just imagine my family babavuka ekseni bane hope yokuthi simshiye alele kanje, kungenzeka mabafika ekseni bazothola izandla zimuvile siye kwenye indawo. Mabefika esibhedlela mangibheka abangithola same position abangishiye kuyo izolo. That means akanyakazanga lo muntu, solo uthulile. And ngaleso sikhathi kan before kwenzeka yonke le esibhedlela basebafonele wonke umuntu, bafonela nomunye ubhuti wami wakasibiya NL Sprayed. Ngaleso sikhathi bika Swaziland uJohannes Biya. uJohannes Biya seSwaziland bamenzele something washiya yonke into. And uJohannes Biya ngoba ngangithulile mina information yami ukuthi ikuphi ikuphi kwakungana lutho. And then uSibiya kufuna kuvuleka ama docket, kufuna kuvuleka ama file esibhedlela ukuze bakhona ukungattenda. uSilo fight ukuthi kuvuleka ama file, ngakuthola ukuthi emotweni kwakunemadlana encane, wakwazi ukuvula ifile, wafika kuSibiya, wakwazi ukungikhokhelela indleko zokuthi ngikwazi ukuattend esibhedlela. So abantu engifuna ukubabonga nje uSilo babuSibiya, ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi Sibiya ngaba nobhuti kuwena uyabona le nto le ukuthi ngwaka Makhabane mina waka Sibiya but he had to run wangikhumbuza ngesikhathi kugula umfowethu uvuyo I had to run and make sure trying to save his life uyayibona le nto but now ngibuya kubantu basemzansi ngicedile ngoSibiya ngibonga kakhulu ongenzele kwana baba Sibiya Sotobe ngiyabonga kakhulu ngibuya kubantu basemzansi kulobo busuku bamhla ka 31 December bengimele ngiye eFall Crust ngiyocula khona ngicede eFall Crust ngihambe ngiyocula kaMhlushwa it didn't happen yonke into yavaleka yaphela lapho and then now abantu basemzansi butwamba seAfrica bashintsha ama services wabo ama crossover wabo be31 ukuthi bajumpela ku 1st of January bawashintsha yonke into yasemzansi we go about prayer for Sipho Makhabane ngithanda ukuthi namhlanje mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu abantu basemzansi ngiyabonga lokho engenzele kona imthandazo yenu ngiyayibonga kakhulu and ngiyacela ukuthi nisibophe ngebhande lodwa nefamily kaMlambo intombazane elimele kuleyo family leyo nisibophe ngebhande lodwa must speed recovery Sipho iphinde speed recovery nakuntombazane aphile naye ngoba ifamily esashayisana nabo so engakusho nje mfowethu ukuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu kuma Africa ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu indlela engikhulekela ngakhona indlela engisupporta ngakhona indlela enisifonela ngakhona isinaka ngakhona siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu naku Soweto thank you so much Mr. Nkosi I don't know what to say but nje to talk to people of Mzansi ngibatshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona uNkulunkulu uyaphila and uNkulunkulu uyazenza izinto zakhe uma ngabe ungabona imoto angiyibonanga imoto ithi indodana yami daddy it's okay ungayibona imoto ngoba the way imoto ingakhona ingakulimaza ingqondo it's okay ungayibona
Makhabane asinasikhathi and you're coming into that mode yokushumayela now yes we're going to expect some work from you
Putwami I'm working on an album engayazi ukuthi ukhumbule ukuthi mangiphaphama esibhedlela kunamagama amaknama line now 3 engwashilo
what in
intombazane yomlungu yakhuluma isingisi kanti uStandard 3 wami uzokwazi ukuyibamba lenkulumo ayikhulumayo yathi intombazane you were involved in a car accident ngathi really what in a yes that's okay thank you ntombazane ngase ngikhuluma nami isingisi sami saka Standard 3 ngathi sisi can you just give me 2 minutes I just want to be alone 2 minutes what I'm not allowed because of ICU ngathi sis I understand that but if you can just give me 2 minutes or even less than 2 minutes ngawezwa ama footstep because ngangiboshiwe kanje but ngakwazi ukubheka emasayidini but ngawezwa ama footsteps ukuthi intombazane le iyaphuma ngayizwa idonsa umnyango yawuvala umnyango ngalaqala ngalula izandla zami ngawuchef kumzimba wami ngezwe ukuthi akunama complications ngasho lamagama number 1 Lord thank you for saving my life number 2 Lord you saved me for a purpose number 3 if ekukhonzeni kwami all these years ipower yokukhonza kwami bengidonsa ngama engines awu 2 from now onwards I'm going to double the engines ekukhonzeni wena wethu
Mr. Makhabane
yabonga baba
only a pleasure and an honor to have hosted you thank you so much it's such an inspiration to young people like ourselves
thank you baba
thank you very much for coming to Soweto TV
thank you baba
I know we have to cut the interview. I know you want more, but we have to say thank you to one of South Africa's greatest sons and singers, writers, and talent scout, Abantu Baning, who have released just from Uklangana Baba Sipho Makhabane. We'd like to thank him for coming to the show. We'd like to thank you for your prayers to him and the other family that was hurt as well. Stay with your late mate with Nimrod Nkosi.